been trying to race this dude. We pull up by accident right there. All right, guys, day 5, end of Rocky Mountain Race Week. Johnson's Nova's loaded up. Kart is ready to go. We are fixing to drive to the checkpoint. We're no longer in competition, contention, whatever the hell you want to call it. So we're headed that way. Timmy, give him a wave, bud.
Woo, baby.
How's it going in this thing?
It's been a trip today.
Yeah?
Yep, so the slave cylinder's blown out, so I have to get a push start every time we come to a stop.
Oh geez. Good thing Timmy's here.
Yeah. That's big.
He's like, where are we turning? And I look up and I'm like,
It needs some more duct tape on the front of that thing. That's awesome. Yeah, so I'm excited. I'm headed down to borrow the rear wheels and tires off of Wally. Talked to Doug Cook just a minute ago, and so we're gonna go down here and do that and get them swapped out for you, and then we're gonna go out. Wally just ran a 15-15, so I'm hoping that this will put us close, being we ran a 14-8. We'll see what these will do, and then maybe we can get a grudge race in. If you haven't seen me talk about it already, this is Wally. This is the race car they bought for Motion Raceworks 1.0. Motion Raceworks bought it for Rocky Mountain Race Week 1.0 because the Nova went down first day. So Nova's back. They couldn't leave this one at home because it's a celebrity. So he was just saying he's 15-1 on the bottle. So we're maybe a little faster than him without it. So we're going to see what these will do.
USA.
All right, guys.
Developed in the
We
USA,
have lightweight wheels on the front.
Shipped in the USA.
Our race tires on the back.
I will bring on another product that's
Thanks
made
to
by Hammer.
Doug and those guys. I bet the difference is 60 or 70 pounds. Probably each wheel. All right, going up to race.
Ian Greger, the Porsche Cayenne.
All right, guys, that was a 14-906 pass. Show you here in the corner. Well, you can kind of see it. I'm going up front to take the guy's been working the lanes. I'm taking him a Narx Kart shirt because he's been awesome this week and has talked to us every time we've come by there.
The big old burnout with the Narx Kart. 809.
Look at all these people. All with the hands up, man. They're on it. 802. Everybody's upset for it. Alright, so all week I've been trying to race this dude. We pull up by accident right there. We're literally going to race each other.
So the way we're up to Grand Wagoneer in the left lane, right?
All right, guys. So Wally on our pass ran a 1298, so there's no way to catch that one.
The only part we need is jump box, please.
Did I just leave hard on it? Let it fucking clear.
1 minute.
Alright guys, that's the end of it. We had such a blast. If you are a car guy, you must have this event on your list. It was simply amazing. Had a great time. Welcome to all the new subscribers, and we'll see you on the next video.